More indigent litigants are having improved access to the Enhanced Justice Program under the Aquino administration's Philippine Development Plan. This is being done through the Public Attorney's Office. Jail visitations by PAO officials are being made to cater not only to the legal needs of poor litigants, but also to give them medical attention. The latest to benefit from such PAO undertaking were inmates at the Manila City Jail. This report.
A different kind of happiness was felt by Manila City Jail female inmates. This after the Public Attorney's Office employees have given free medication as part of their program Jail Visitation and Decongestion. Through the several doctors, dentists, and attorneys, more than 5,000 women have been served.
Ito po yung inumpisahan natin na access to justice, saka social justice for all. Ito yung Jail Decongestion and Visitation Program. May mga kasama po tayo mga doktor mula sa NBI, mula sa BJMP, mga nurses, ng Public Attorney's Office, optometrists, saka dentists. So may libre tayong gamot, may libreng bunot ng ngipin, at mayroong tayong libreng salamin sa mata.
Each of these women is unique, holding different kinds of stories and facing different kinds of cases. For a number of years, this woman until now is waiting for her sentence. This is why this visitation served as a relief, giving her inner peace even for a while.
Napakalaking tulong po ito para sa amin.
Bakit po?
Tulad po namin mga walang dalaw, ganyan. Mga kailangan namin mga gamot na nakakalibre po kami.
Human trafficking, that is the case faced by this woman. All of the prisoners held at the Manila City Jail haven't been declared guilty. However, while waiting for their sentence, their health must be taken care of.
Tutuwa po ako kasi kahit papano po, nabibigay yung pangangailangan namin pang medical, tsaka yung tulad po mga paralegal, na isasangguni po namin yung problema namin tungkol sa kaso namin.
With this activity, the government assured their cases will not be left stagnant but developing to achieve justice.
Para sa katarungan. At sa mga inmates naman, kung kayo walang kasalanan, lumunog lamang kayo sa PAO. Humingi kayo ng tulong ng PAO. At kung kayo may private lawyer, humingi kayo ng tulong sa private lawyer, yun ay tuloy ang kaso. Sa mga kababayan, makakaasa po kayo na ito po ay para sa katarungan ng lahat.
For People's Television Network, Christine Santos.
As of December last year, the Public Attorney's Office has assisted over 6.7 million indigent litigants all over the country. To date, PAO has secured over 100,000 acquittals and some 3,000 rather more cases dismissed. There have also been convictions, but to a lesser offense.